Hello, sir. Can you tell me, what are you building?
I'm building an application called Fast. We are a Telegram bot that verifies facial features against an account. So we generate account abstracted wallets for facial features, and in doing so we provide account abstracted features such as transferring funds between newly onboarded users within the Web2 space.
Why does it make sense to build on Cartesi?
So Cartesi acts like an oracle, whereby you can shift data that's off-chain onto on-chain networks. We are running an AI agent which carries out heavy computations on verifying facial features, for example. It makes sense to use Cartesi so that we can interact with our on-chain contracts through a rollup, and this rollup will allow us to forward data onto our contracts through a seamless manner. Moreover, it provides scalable features as well. It will basically benefit us for the future. It has a very good setup in terms of virtual machines. There's a lot of pros, and yeah, we're very keen.